Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video I will show you how to get more Twitter followers fast in 2022. Now if we go to my profile, you can see that I have around 5,000 followers right here, and yeah, I've been basically growing Twitter accounts for some time right now, and I can definitely tell you what works and what doesn't. So yeah, let's jump in the video. So the first thing that you can do, there are a couple of ways to grow your Twitter account fast in a legit way, right? Now there are giveaways, for example. So what I did is I created a dummy account and I grew that account to 700 followers in just like 2 weeks. Not even 2 weeks, right? With giveaways. So what we did is we basically hosted a giveaway like this, right? So we're doing another giveaway award, $500 in Ethereum rules, tag 3 friends, follow this account, which is my account, and then retweet this, right? And what this is doing is you will get a lot of attention on your profile, you will get more followers, you will get more likes, and overall in the end you will grow your Twitter account. Now this is the first way to grow on Twitter, and the most legit way if you can give away something, right? Now most people abuse this. Most people are giving away something and they don't give away anything, right? But yeah, this is the best way I would say in 2022 to grow. So definitely use that if you want to grow on Twitter. Now the second way is by using a social media bot. Now I actually use this social media bot, and you can also check the video I did on this social media bot somewhere in the video, in the corner of this video, so you can kind of learn how this social media bot works. But essentially you're just following and unfollowing people, and they are following you back, and this is how you grow your account really fast. In 1 week you can grow up to 1,000 to 2,000 followers without a sweat. So yeah. So the third way of growing your Twitter account really fast is by creating engagement lists. Now what you can do is you can create an engagement group of Twitter with a couple of your people, and each day you can shout out each people, right? So for example, this is how it would look like, right? 6 valuable accounts to follow in the NFT space, and then you have a lot of these accounts, and then they are you can kind of describe them, right? And you will do this each day, and each day someone will do this for you as well, right? So for example, today I'm doing this. The second day this person will do this, right? And the third day this person will do this, right? And each day you're basically getting a shout out, and this way you're growing on Twitter much more faster than ever before, really. So this is another hack how to grow on Twitter. It's really simple and anyone can apply it. Again, you can create engagement group with up to 5 to 10 people. You can shout out each other, and you will grow this way really awesome. As you can see, this is another example of this. Again, you can see accounts that inspire me daily, and I got 62 likes because some of these accounts retweeted, and some of these accounts liked as well, commented, and I got attention to my profile much faster. Now the last way how to grow your Twitter followers faster is by using Social Booster. Now Social Booster is great if you want to buy cheap social media followers, likes, and views. You can do that by going here, and then you can select your platform where you want to grow. We want to grow on Twitter, and here you can select where you want followers. Let's say we want followers, right? Because this is the video about followers, and you can choose the package here. Quantity, single order every 7 days. Do you want every 14 days? And again, you can order. They are pretty cheap, as you can see, $60 for 1,000 plus followers. And they also have great customer support as well. So this is not a scam. This is a real service that works. But keep in mind the quality of your followers. They won't be really that good. So yeah. So these are 4 ways, or actually like 4 to 5 ways on how to grow your Twitter followers fast in 2022. Now, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below, and I'll make sure to answer all of them. Thank you.